Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free pregnancy apps for your Android phone, and these apps are very helpful during the pregnancy. First on our bag is Pregnancy Tracker. In this, you can enter your details and it will show you all the information on behalf of that, like size, length and weight. Here you can see your trimester chart. You can check out the tools like weight tracker, Kegel exercise, pregnancy items, bump gallery and so on. Here you can see early symptoms. You can see the baby development on the basis of data. In settings, you can see the due date, stop the tracking, change the units and few more. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our bag is What to Expect. Again a useful tool. It compares the size of your baby to the similar thing. Also, it gives solution to problems that you can face during the pregnancy. You can check out the videos. Also, you can read some articles related to pregnancy. In tools section, you can use tools like due date calculator, registry builder, recipes, my journal and few more. Also, you can interact with the people like you. In settings, you can change the measurements units, manage the notifications and email preferences. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Baby Center. The layout is good. Needed information is on the top. You can see the baby size, your baby, and also you can see your body according to the days. You can read the articles that may helpful for you. In community section, you can join the various groups that are related to pregnancy topics. In calendar, you can add your test dates and etc. You can check out the tools like Bumpy, Kick Tracker, baby names, contraction timer and so on. In settings, you can manage the units, push notification and system appearance. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our bag is Pregnancy Tracker and Baby Guide. You can see your bump, date of birth and baby size. Also, you can see the data by weeks. In services, you can add weight, check out the reference books, checklist, see the Kegel exercises, breathe and purchases. Also, you can modify the dates here. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Pregnancy Calendar. In this, you can start with your due date, gestational date and conception date. The information layout is good. By tapping here, you can read the detailed information. You can add events, check out the tools. Here you can learn that what you have to pack for the labor to the hospital. Here you can manage the profile, like adding phone number, city, date of birth and etc. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.